Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Let's Learn Maths. We are discussing about 12th class mathematics relation and function chapters. This is presentation number 5. Before watching presentation number 5, please confirm to watch presentation number 1 to 4. We are now discussing a special topics about relations, that is congruency of numbers. What is congruency of number? If you see here, I have given some example of division. I am dividing 4 by 3. The remainder is r. 7 remainder with 3 7 remainder r 1. Here also when dividing 10 with 3 remainder 1. Whenever I am this type of numbers 4 7 10 always giving the remainder 1 when I am dividing with same number 3. So these number 4 7 are called congruent. Because why they are congruent? Because they are giving the same remainder. So these are called the congruent number. In respect of which number? In respect of 3. So this is called we read it like that: 4 congruent 7 modulo 3. Modulo 3 because 3 is dividing these numbers and giving the same remainder. Likewise, I am represented, this is P1, and when the modulo is 2, see I have given here example of division. Here also is giving the same remainder 1. So P2 another partition where you see 3 congruent 5 modulo 2. Why modulo 2? Because 2 when dividing 3 5 7 giving the same remainder 1 1 1. So we call 3 congruent 5 5 congruent 7 like that. And their what is their modulo? When modulo is 2. This is possible when modulo 2, and this is possible as in respect of their modulo. And in example number 4 you also see when you divide 7 by 4 you will get remainder 3. Same case will be happen when you will divide 11 by 4 you will get remainder 3. So 7 is congruent to 11 modulo 4. So we read like this: 7 congruent 11 modulo 4. There is an interesting method is here. If you subtract 4 from 7, then you will get 3, and which is divisible by 3. If you subtract 4 from 10, you will get 6, which is also divisible by 3. So we write a number when two numbers a and b, when a and b two numbers when divisible by a certain number, that number is called modulo, and a and b will be congruent to each other. If it is completely divides, a minus b when completely divisible by a certain number, then we called a congruent b, and they are modulo that number. Here for example, if you take subtraction of 7 minus 4, then it will be divisible by 3. So 7 and 4 are congruent and their modulo is 3. We read like this: 4 congruent 7 modulo 3. Hope you understood this. Then our next topic is partition of sets. Here in this set I have marked here x. If you take this P1, all P1s are P1's elements are 4 7 10, or all elements of belongs to P1. If you think that 3 5 7 all elements are belongs to P2, and if you think that P3's elements are 7 11, there is no relation between P1 and P2 and P3. They are separate event, mutually disjoint event. There is no jointness, so it is called mutually disjoint events. So this type of event, but whole set, this rectangular diagram is denoting the whole set x, and this set x is nothing but is the summation of or union of P1 P2 P3. So we write x is equal to P1 union P2 union P3. So these are the separate sets, mutually disjoint sets, making a whole set x. So that is called, this is one P1, this is P2 P3. Thus we call when in a universal set the many sets are mutually disjoint, then they are will be called the partition of sets. Now hope you understood this partition of sets. Now if you denote this whole plane by x, then what will happen? You are seeing in P1 all elements are in a relation with equivalent relation, because 4, 7, 10 are congruent numbers, and so that is why all congruency relation is equivalent relation. So in P1 all elements are related with congruency relation. In P2 all elements are related with congruency relation, equivalent relation. P3 same case. So we tell that is a P1 is a equivalent class. We denote a P1 like that, or we write X is related to P1. Why X is related to P1? Because the P1 in P1 set is a X is that relation which the elements of P1 is related. So likewise AP2, the equivalent class of a separate equivalent class is AP2. The question is like that: if I all numbers take together, for example, I have made this partition here. All partition, if you open all this partition, 4, 7, 10, 3, 5, 7, 11, all numbers you have to take in a plane, and then you have to separate this number as per their partition. This is this will be possible when you will take the equivalent class of the numbers. Hope you understood this video. And you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to donate my school. Yeah, I have given my phone numbers and my SBI account number. If you like this video, please subscribe me or donate me. Thanks a lot since now.